Ano yung sinabi mo na una? Hi, nako. So, ayan, yung nakikita nyo ngayon is Calgary Zoo Parking. So, alas 2 na kasi kami gumayak. So, we have only, oh no, it's 12 pa lang pala. Akala ko 2. We have 5 hours to be exact na maggalagala dito. Yan, so Calgary Zoo, there! Yan. Oh, grabe naman si Dexa. Okay, sit down ka properly. Ano kita, pakita kita sa vlog. Sit down, eh! So, yan na, summer look si Dexa ngayon. Ang kulay-kulay ng kanyang damit. Tama! And, ipakita ko din sa inyo ang look ng aking dalaga. Ayan! Nako! Summer look din!
Sexy ba siya?
Sexy! Ayan. So, Calgary Zoo, ang trip ng family ngayon. Ayan, Calgary Zoo. Ganda ng weather. I think today is 24 sa labas. So, kapag ganitong weather, talagang medyo mainit na yung pakiramdam namin. Kasi nga, hindi kami masyadong sanay sa ganitong weather. Most of the year dito sa Calgary is malamig. So, ayan. See you inside!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Calgary Zoo entrance. Ayan. So, ito yung Calgary Zoo dito sa Calgary. Sa mga gustong dumalaw dito sa Calgary. Kasi sa mga tourist spot dito is tong Calgary Zoo. Ayan. So, kasi not all the cities ay mga zoo. Something I know Edmonton they have two. Pero parang sabi nila mas maganda yung Calgary Zoo. Malaki.
Saan ba tayo dati? Dapat dito sa kabila. Dito sa pangalawa na.
Parang pangalawa ka. Kasi dito ata is iba.
Saan si?
C. I think you have to go to the C.
Si?
C or B is going up ka eh.
B siguro.
O B. Okay. Sige. So, sa B daw kami. So parang merong ano kasi itong nila parking category. Unless makikisiksik ka at maghintay ka kasi ito mabilis
Free
mapuno.
parking na tayo, di ba?
Yeah. Free parking kami pala kasi yung annual pass namin kasama yung parking. Pero kapag hindi, you have to pay $12 dad sa parking. Yeah. So, kumuha kami this year ng annual pass kasi nga marami activity dito yung mga kids sa Calgary Zoo na mapakinabangan ng mga kids like pagka mag-egg hunting, Halloween, meron din silang mga activity for kids. Yeah. So, ang daming pumupunta sa zoo, dad. Ayan, oh. Ayan, marami ngayon, oh. Oh my, kikisiksik kami sa parking. Dexa? Okay, here's the princess. Nako, summer na summer ang dating niya. Okay, get mo na yung mga things natin. Get na the things. Wow! Summer! Ayan. So, picnic ang peg ng family ngayon. So, hindi namin dala ang stroller mo, Dexa, ha? Wagon ang dala natin. So, you can sit down in the wagon. Okay? Yeah? Put everything there. Yeah. Ooh! She have her own chair. She's the princess of the wagon. Okay? Dadalhin pa ba yung bag mo na yan? Hindi na to, siguro, bebe. Hindi na, wala tayong kailangan here.
Mom, this
Para
one's
hindi
my
malaki.
activity bag, and this one my not activity bag.
Okay.
This one's for my
Sexy ni ate ngayon. Ang aming ate ay sexy. Yeah. Oh, careful. Careful. Careful, guys. Oh, si daddy ngayon pa nag-lotion. Okay. And then, sa baba yan, bebe. Lagay mo yan sa baba here. Lagay mo sa baba. So, nagbaong kami ng mga drinks. Pwede naman bumili ng mga bata doon
Down ka
mamaya.
properly, ah.
Ay, hindi na hindi na cash yan. Yeah, okay. Ito, pwedeng pag ganyan. Okay na.
Kuhaan din, ha?
Ay, hindi na siguro. Maglalapag-lapag lang naman tayo here. So, yun. See you inside! Yan. So, excited kami kasi dapat mag-outing kami ngayon. Kaso lang medyo masama yung pakiramdam nitong babaeng to. Ano ang tawag dun? Lactus. Okay, yan. Ang ganda ng panahon.
Esophagitis.
Oh, esophagitis.
Yeah,
Ang sabi nila?
yeah, that's my diagnosis from the
Oh,
It's an inflamming
esophagus mo
Yeah.
because of the
My
pills. Kasi may ano siya, niinom siya ngayon na pills for pimples. Okay?
for my
Acne.
acne.
Acne. Yan. See you! So, ito yung entrance. So, yun yung parking lot dito banda. So, yung Calgary Zenith to is malapit siya sa downtown. Wow! Okay. Excited. Who's excited? Yeah.
I finally noticed last time we went by ourselves with only two.
Yan ang entrance. Yeah. Yan, ito. Ang daming tao ngayon kasi nga spring weather. Yan. Please enter. Keep membership. Yan, day admission. Yan, so tapos na pinakita ni ate yung annual membership card. Okay, mag-penguin kaya tayo. Di tayo nakapag-penguin no. Yeah. Okay, Dexa go. Dexa go. Para makuha ng ka ni mama. Okay. Put mo mabuti yan, put mo mabuti. Magpe-penguin na daw si Dexa. Yan. Wow! The penguins are there! There, baby! May mga penguins. Dexa, there's the penguins. Penguins!
Mommy, what is that one doing in the like? He's doing like that in the foot.
Oh, just happy with the water.
Yes, 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 yes. He's running so fast.
Yes, enjoy.
One,
Okay, see more penguins inside.
it smells bad. Smells like
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Come on. You can remove your eyeglasses. Be, you can remove your eyeglasses para makita mo mabuti. Okay? Okay? Put your eyeglasses where? Okay. So, medyo maraming tao ngayon. Ayan. Maraming tao. Ay, smile ka muna. Picturean kita dyan. Okay. Ay, no. Just stand there. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay.
here daw siya.
Yan, so maraming tao ngayon dito sa loob. Yan. Doon sa bandang doon, maraming penguins doon. Oh, where? No more na? Wala nang nakikipag-play sa'yo? Okay, I think sa the other side ka, oh. Here. Sa other side. Marami din dito banda. Ayan sila, Bey. Oh, dami. Saglit. Sige. It's a cougar. Okay, it's a cougar. See that? See that?
Or see next time.
Oh, there. Oh, there. Okay, go there. Sorry. Oh. Oh, my baby bear. It's a lady baby bear, bebe. Ayan, no? Ayun yung baby niya.
They probably gave birth to it during
Oh, yeah. Nung ano, no?
winter and spring.
Yeah, I know. Daddy, dito siya.
Nexa, what's that, Nexa?
Oh, there.
Okay, let's keep going.
Oh,
Look, and then
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
the
there.
other one.
The other one, Dexa.
This one.
Ooh.
He's still up there.
Hey.
Yay!
Last
The other
time
one.
Hey.
when
Alam din niya, pupunta din siya dito eh.
Mommy, Ate, and me,
Ah.
he was still up there.
Ayan, doon isa. Ayun, no?
Up there, Mom.
I know.
He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back, guys.
Okay. Alam din niya na may tao dito. Ayan, no?
Oh, she's peeking.
Ew! Nagpipi siya, Bi! Oh my! Okay. Oh, mga ganito para tuloy siyang snow, eh, no?
It's like a cold and I landed this.
Oh, ito parang ano, nako, parang snow siya.
Mommy,
Ayun, oh. Parang snow itsura niya, tinan mo. Oh, sa school daw ng mga bata. Okay, sige.
Mine, Dexa doesn't have it.
Eh, sabi naman niya meron.
no, this
Okay, sige na. O, playtime muna daw siya. So, meron lang ganito dito. O, may store na kung anong gusto ng mga kids. Yan. Yeah. Okay, give me that one so that you can enjoy your playground time. Okay, enjoy. Ay, give me the bag. Sorry. Okay. 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 So, tingin kami ng place siguro where we can sit down. Ayun si ate. Yeah. Yan. Okay, here. Ito yung dating pwesto din namin nun. Sige. Po muna kami while Dexa is doing her playground time. Ah, sorry. Aray ko. Wow, dun si Dexa! Good job, Dexa! Good job! Okay, pa-video tong isang to. Okay? Ooh! I like that. Okay? Go! Woo! Okay? Enjoy! Ang sarap pa yan kasi mahangin. Yan. The weather is nice. Careful. Okay? Careful. Malaki tong playground na to. They call it Utopia. Yeah. So it's beautiful weather today. Yeah. Kaupo dun si Dexy tsaka si Daddy while they're doing their snacks. Ayan, si Dexa dito ay magpe-playground daw muna. Yay! Good job, baby! You did it! Okay, enjoy! Okay? Ooh! Okay. Even if you don't hold that one, you can walk. Don't hold that, okay? Wow! That's awesome! Yan, nakatawid siya.
Okay. We'll go to the next activity.
Wow, yan. Tunaw na to. May mga video clips ata akong nakuhanan nung pumunta kami dito. Mga around April yun, baby, no? Oo, na ano pa to? Frozen pa, I mean. Yan. Frozen pa yun. So, ewan ko kung saan kami makarating. Tingnan natin kung ano pinagkakaguluhan.
And then we have
There. Cute.
yeah, no.
There. Lexa, did you see that?
There's only 3 females to know. So it's like they can tell if somebody's so they put Rosetta has so I've got 50% of it. Because no loot I always know. But then I change to one smaller than the other. Not to those darker. See that very back skirt? Yeah. There is can be very different. It's got really narrow. That might be odd for Oh, yeah. So when you see Egyptian tourists, can you see?
Sa African Savannah. Tingnan natin yung mga kapatid mong tilapia. Mga tilapia. Mga andito yung mga ibang animals na bawal sa labas. Yan. Let's go inside. Ay, iba din amoy. Yan. Ang ano naman ang ano niyan, tsura niya. Ha? porcupine. Yan yung porcupine na nasa labas, pero iba yung itsura niya. Ala, laki. Yan nga.
These are African porcupines.
Oh.
That one was in North American.
North American. Okay, porcupine. Yan siya. Mga meerkat. Ito siya. Meerkat! Where are you? Daming tao dito ngayon din. Ayan yun na. Ayan siya. Ayan o. Oh, there. O, yabang yan tumayo. Ayan siya. Tingnan din niya siguro yung mga tao. Ah. Okay. Not here, Dexa. Not here. You have to see the animals, okay? Okay, let's go to the other side. Oh, there's a giraffe. Sorry. Yan. Land of Lemurs. Okay. Yan tayo. Yan tayo makarating.
You want to line up to see lemurs?
Yeah. Let's go. We're here. Kaya mo enjoy natin ng weather and the moment. Yan. So ito ata yun yung dito ka. Tingnan natin sila. Okay, go. Dito kami kasi yung sa kabila is stroller sila daddy. Dexy, yan. Woo! Oh my God. Yung bata. Lemurs. Ate, saan? Yun. So, very sensitive to mga lemurs na to kasi marami silang restrictions. Yeah, so saan nga sila? Dati kasi hindi ka pwedeng bumaba dito eh.
That
Where?
kind of like a pig. That kind of looks like a pig's
Okay.
eye. Why?
Okay. Where? So saan sila? Wala tayo. Ayun! There! Upstairs. Pero hindi nyo nakikita kasi mga bata hindi nila nakikita. Ayun siya. Baba na siya. So parang konti lang sila ngayon. Like before. Sobrang dami nila. No? Alala mo? Ano lang sila dito? Parang natakbo lang sila. Okay, there, Dexa.
Actually, when the black and white's communicating, it sounds like.
Andun siya, lumilim din siya, maroon. Did you see that, Dexa? There. Okay. Okay. So, yun. Si Daddy hindi na pumunta. So, okay, let's go, girls.
Tail is gray and white.
Yeah.
Gray and black.
Gray and black. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay.
That's enough fun.
Okay. Ooh, bilis ni Dexa. Okay.
We'll do it again, okay? Opini going?
Okay. Sorry. Okay, go. Go ahead. So that the other kids can do it. Thank you. Okay, dito daw tayo inside, Dad. Ha? Hindi naman. Dito lang yung entry niya.
May kailangan yung entry.
Yeah. Dexa, come on. See the fish. Come on. Dexa, baba ka na. Aquarium. Want to see the aquarium? Okay. You don't like? Okay. Pagod na. Sa init yan, no? Sobrang nakakapagod, no? Oh, there. Here. There. Dexa. See Zero. Ayan. So, saglit lang kami kanina dun sa loob. Yeah, let's go. Yan lang, Dexa. Dito nagpakita. Yeah, that's peacock. Oh, that's so nice. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, baby. Yeah. I know. Cute.
Apparently there's 7 outside.
Enjoy, Dexa! Okay. Malaki na nga siya. Nag-goodbye na lang sa amin. Dito yan sa Zoo Venture. Yan, dito din yan sa Calgary Zoo. Enjoy, baby! Where is she? Saan na si Dexa? Go, Dexa! Go! Ito yung favorite ni Dexa dito. Ayan siya, oh. Yun, nakarating na siya sa dulo. Go, Dexa! Way! Good job! Okay, let him do his turn. Okay? Then you can do it again. Okay, wait for his turn. Wait for him to finish. Okay? Okay, it's Dexa's turn. Okay, it's okay. Go ahead, concentrate. Okay, that's awesome. Woo! Thank you, Dexa. You're good. Enjoy, baby. Go! Yan, sa malaking playground na to for the kids. Meron din silang ganitong playground. So go ahead. Okay. Okay. Okay, see you. Yeah, okay, see you. Okay, go Dexa. Woo! Okay. Nice, okay, enjoy. Go play na by yourself. Okay. Go play by yourself na.
I'm gonna do a split second. Here. Oh, here.
Okay, ikaw baby ka ngayon. Ikaw yung baby ng kangaroo. Sige. Okay. Go inside. And you're the baby. Show your head. Head lang labas. Ganun. Okay, ready? There, ganyan. Okay. Eto na. Eto na ang dalawa. Ayan ang favorite nila dito. Ayan. Ang favorite ni ate. For now, no. But you guys, maybe you want something? Yeah. What do you like na i-taste dito? You want to taste the other like pangalan nun, yung mga ibang food nila? Okay. Let's see. Try natin yung iba. Next, enjoy! Ayan ang gusto nila dito. Ito, oh. Wow! Ang ganda nito. Yeah, that one is a real flower, bebe. They make that. And after nilang uminom ng mga slashes nila, dito kami napunta. Oo, tapos ayun, may kasal pa pala dito. Namin yung kasal ng puti. Ayan. Ano yung mga kasal ng puti. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, they will take a picture. Can we give them space, guys? Yeah. Nandito na kami sa Flamingo area. Summer na summer ang damit ni Dexa. O Dexa, see first natin. Okay? Yung pinapalampas si Dexa, oh. Sorry. Yeah. Hoy. So, nung parang may time na pumunta kami dito, wala sila. Hindi pa sila, hindi pa sila pwedeng lumabas ata. No, Dexy, no? Alam mo, pumunta tayo dito. Wala sila. Ayan. Ang cute! Ito mga kulay nila. What?
If they only have one leg, that means they keep the another leg right inside their body. If they only have
Oh!
one leg,
Really? Like that, like that ginawa niya. Oh, yan, tiniklop niya yung fit niya.
yeah, he put in the body.
Tiklop mo din fit mo, Dexy. Ikaw, tiklop mo din fit mo. Pati yun. O, see? ay, nagputs-puts. Pipi. Oh, my. Ito eh. Dex, ayan oh. Ang cute. Yeah. Ang cute.
Take a picture.
Okay, I will take you some picture, Dexa. Go there, baby. Oh,
This is not a place for picnics.
okay. Yan. So, ito siya. Gaganda. Ang ganda naman ng bulaklak. Kasama to. Yeah, I know. Sorry about that. Yeah. Wow! Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Dexy, stand there, baby. Stand ka. Smile. Kay smile. Uy, ang ganda din nito. Oh, alive na to. Wow, I love this. So nice. Yeah. Cute. Ang ganda. Ayan no, mamaya picturean ko si Dex. And this one too. Ayan din.
Badminton.
Ayan, may ganito din na art dito. Ayan, snail naman to. Tapos alam niyo kung anong ginagawa namin dito. Ayan, may nakahiga. Hey, Daddy! Nag-picnic kami dito. Ayan, oh, mupo yung mga bata din here. Ayan, picnic muna. Ano lang, magpahinga lang saglit. Ano, Daddy? Ayan, may nakahiga. Ayan, Dexa, sit down ka muna. Kanina gusto mo mag-picnic. Sabi niya, picnic.
Tulog pa kanina. Sabi niya.
What? You saw one? Okay, let's go. Let's find my butterfly there. Hanap si Dexa ng butterfly. Okay, where's the butterfly? Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, oh. Ayan, ayan. Hanap nila. Ayan, baby. Oh. Nakita mo? Yan, si Dexa ay naghanap ng butterfly. What he said? Oh, this one look like an owl. Owl. Oh. Wala na. Lumabas na. Wala? Oh, there. Dexa. She's trying to catch the butterflies. Yeah. Dexa is trying to catch the butterflies. Ayan, dinalaw namin yung mga kapatid ni Dexy and Dexa. Ayan, ito mga kapatid nila. Si Dexo, ang saka si Dexos. Ayan sila nag-aaway na naman tong mga to. Ayan, kasi si Dexy and Dexa lagi nag-aaway. Nangungunang panganay. Pangalawa tong bunsa. Ayan na sila. Ala, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan yan. Apa. Yan ang gandang. Oh. Ang bilis. Yan ang ganda din na ito kasi ano no, parang tinutuo din nilang nasa ano lang sila forest, ganun. May maagos din na tubig. Yan. I think this one is baboy ramo sa Pilipinas. Hindi da? Oh, hindi pala. Akala ko ito yung baboy ramo. It's, I don't know how to pronounce this one, Dexy. How to pronounce this? Oh, yan. Ayun siya, oh. Dexy, ayun siya, oh. Paikot-ikot din sa atin, oh. Gising. Ay, ayan sila. Dalawa pala. Ito pala isa. At tulog. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go. Dami nang nakita mga bata today. Yung iba wala na, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog para i-share sana sa inyo. Pero this Calgary Zoo talaga mag-enjoy yung mga kids na mahilig sa mga animals, mahilig din sa mga nature kasi ganito yung vibe dito. Makakita sila na may iba-ibang flowers kagaya this year, no? Ang gaganda nung ginawa nila na yun na parang, I don't know kung ano tawag dun, landscape or whatsoever, yung parang binubuo nila, no? Kita mo yun, Dexy? Ano pangalan niyan, baby? Yung mga ganun. Landscape ba yun? Eh, hindi, it's land.
Landscape is
Land din yun, grass. I don't know kung ano, pero yun nga, yung sinare namin ibang clips sa inyo na ang gaganda ng gawa nila this year. Nagustuhan ko. Sana gusto ko yung mga ganung vibe. Yun, tingnan namin kung ano pang masilip namin kasi it's already going to 5 p.m. So yun lang i-share namin. Kung di na namin madugtungan tong clips na to. Bye na! Dexa, say bye to everybody! Dexy! Wala na energy. Okay, bye! Ano to? Tulog na? Oh my goodness, my gulay. Tulog! Buhatin mo muna. Oh, nako, nakatulog na. Wala na siya. Thank you, ate, for helping. Ayan na. Ay, isara mo mabuti yun. Nasara? Uy, Nanoy, isara mo. Please, thank you. Please and thank you. Eh, wala na. Hindi pa nainom eh. Sige. Yan, uwian na. Thank you, Calgary Zoo. See you. Ayan. Thank you for supporting wildlife conservation. Yan ang sinabi niya. Pauwi na kami. See you again. Uwian na.